Alright, let's do a garden harvest. Overcast, rainy day. But it's Meatless Monday and I want to get something to eat. So I have all of this going to seed bok choy. So I'm going to harvest it and fry it up. Yeah, see, I never did grow the choy part, so I'm just going to harvest it from here. That's part I'm going to cook. Be right back. Grab a little sage. All right, here we have some garlic scapes. Gotta take that for sure. And I've also got some walking onion I'm gonna harvest. Getting some fresh parsley. And this is wild spinach. It's pretty cool. It's just a weed. Didn't plant it. I'm gonna eat it. As you can see, I've got tons of it. All wild spinach. There's some there too. I'll put the name of this one on the screen, but it adds like a lemony taste. It's full of oxalic acid, so you do have to cook it. Well, you don't have to, but it's better. Next up, I'm gonna get me some rosemary. Something probably that rabbit broke some of my cabbage leaves off. I'm not gonna waste them. I'm gonna grab them. And since I grabbed that, I might as well grab myself some basil. Alright, so here is my really nice harvest for Meatless Monday, and this isn't even like the stuff I would normally grow to eat, but I have it, so I might as well enjoy it. So now I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna cook it up. I'll be back. Alright, so what I do when I bring the stuff in is, and normally I would hose this off outside, but it was heavily raining just right before I went out there, so God washed it for me. But I'm gonna put it in this tub with a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of baking soda to make sure there's no living friends in there, and then I'm gonna fry it up. So how you cook this is really up to you. I think I'm gonna lean this time towards Asian flavors. I like mushrooms. You don't have to have mushrooms if you don't want. I'm gonna use a little bit of balsamic vinegar, tamari, some of my grandma's blessed seasonings, some pepper flakes from peppers that I grow. Get that to stay. A few drops of sesame oil and some raw honey to balance it out. All right, so I've got everything ready. I'm gonna rinse it one more time, chop it up, and I'm gonna get cooking. First, I got the mushrooms starting to brown with some of the pepper flakes, and then I'm chopping up, and I'll be adding the garlic scapes and the walking onion. After that, I'll get the spinach and the bok choy going with a bit of the sauce, and it's really quick. So you can see it fills the pan, but it should cook down by quite a bit because it's just like any other kind of spinach or leafy green. It'll cook down probably like a fourth of what I put into the pan, And I'm gonna let this cook for a minute or so, and then I'm gonna add the, uh, the wet ingredients, which would be the tamari, a little bit of vinegar, the honey, and the soy. And soy goes at the very end. All right, so for me, this is perfect. I want a little bit of a crisp left to some of these veggies. I don't want them to be mushy. And then I like to serve it over long grain wild rice, because that's just what I prefer. So I'm gonna dish myself up a bit so I get one-handed. Not spill everywhere. I think I'll get a little bit more. Looks good. All right, so you got your option. You can do fork, or you can do chopsticks. You can try chopsticks. A bit of everything here. Mushrooms fight me. Stop it. See, it's hard to do when I'm trying to concentrate on the phone. There we go. No, that's a good bite. Here's a good bite. Oh. All right, give it a try. It's hot. Really good. Crunchy. Delicious. All right, so go in your yard, do your research, grab some weeds, get to cooking.